And oh yeah, I forgot, this dude's been following us. From what I understand from the local Anons, this guy was here last year saying that he's filming some documentary. He's been trailing us. Okay, we're at the Hive, the Coachman. There was just a Kendrick Moxon sighting. I'm very excited about that. Let's see.
Nice beard.
Where's the camera guy? A couple handlers and the camera guy setting up in the back there.